Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how we can recover your Gmail account password if we forget it. Okay, so let's go to the video. If you don't remember your password, write it as you do that. Now you understand that you do not remember the password of your Gmail account. Now what you have to do, now you have to click on Forget Password below. Now we are going to recover the forgotten password of your Gmail account. For that, we need your phone number that you gave to create your Gmail account, so you can get another temporary code on your phone and enter your Gmail account. Now a 6-digit code will appear on your phone. Type the code where the password is. Now you can get a new password for your email instead of the password you forgot. You should remember well when you give a password, give a fixed password including numbers, codes, letters, etc. You have created a strong password for your Gmail account. If you think the video is good, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.